Hello everyone. Is your laptop getting unusually hot even when you're not doing much? I had the same issue and found a simple fix. But first, let's understand why this happens. Your laptop's CPU might be running at a high speed, like 3G or hurry, which can make it heat up quickly. By lowering the clock speed, you can keep your laptop cooler. Here's how to do it. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Power Options. Click on it to open the settings. We're going to create a custom power plan. Click on Create a Power Plan on the left side. Choose Power Saver and type Low for the plan name. Click Next, then Create. This will set up a plan to help your laptop stay cooler. Now check your clock speed. You should see it drop from 3 GHz to about 1 GHz. This will help your laptop stay cooler. To give you more options, let's create 2 more plans. For high performance, type High and select High Performance, then click Create. Next, create a very low performance plan. Type Very Low, select Power Saver, then click Create. Now, let's adjust these plans. Click Change Plan Settings next to one of your new plans, then click Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down to Processor Power Management. Set Maximum Processor State to 55% for both on battery and plugged in. Click Apply, then OK. You now have 3 power plans: Very Low, Low, and High. Use High Performance for tasks that need more speed, but remember it might make your laptop hotter. For everyday use, switch to Low or Very Low to keep it cooler. I hope this helps your laptop stay cool and run smoothly. If you found this video useful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you next time.